DJ Frankie. DJ Frankie.
You're currently listening pa rin sa the most influential Good Vibes radio station. This is GV 99.9. Your Good Vibes. At kasama pa rin natin ngayon kasama natin this morning sa ating Fit Check Monday, ang ating series na nilunsad na nag-start po last week. Umagandang kwentuhan, Fit Check Monday. So this morning, meron po tayong kaumagandang kwentuhan. Good Vibes Morning, Coach Black. Yeah. Kasama natin ngayon si Coach Black from Fit Hub Lipa and Apex Culture PH. Kung gusto nyo bisitahin and know more about Coach Black at Coach Black Fitness and at Fit Hub Lipa and at Apex Culture PH. Nung nakaraan, Coach Black, ay napag-usapan natin ang napag-usapan natin? Yung input and output sa diet. Bakit ba may mga nagda-diet? Walang nararating, hindi na-checkan ang goal. Pero ngayon naman, Coach Black, week 2 natin ng Fit Check Monday. Ang topic natin ngayon ay beginner-friendly workout. Saan ba magsisimula? Lalo na yung mga ka-vibes natin, ako, struggling talaga. Saan ba sila mag-start? Kailangan ba nilang bumuhat ng 60 kilos sa barbell? Pero hindi po ganon, mga ka-vibes. So, Coach Black, hindi na ako patumpik-tumpik pa, no? Maraming tao po ang gustong mag-start, mag-exercise, pero natatakot or maraming nagdadahilan. Bakit kaya ganon, Coach Black? Yan. Thank you, Coach, no? At para po sa mga beginners, Coach Black, kailangan ba talaga agad mag-gym para mag-start maging healthy? Yun kasi yung mga basic, no, na kaalaman ng ating mga ka-vibes. Kailangan ba, Coach, gym agad? Yan. Thank you, Coach. And Coach, totoo ba na ang walking is the best exercise?
Yes, absolutely, DJ. Walking is one of the best and safest exercise, especially for beginners.
Yan. Especially for beginners, sabi ni Coach, walking is the best exercise. So for someone na totally beginner, Coach, okay ba na magsimula sa walking lamang or kailangan running agad?
Pinaka-importante talaga yung walking eh. Yes, very good ang start ang walking. Kung matagal ka nang hindi nag-exercise, walking helps your body adjust slowly without injury. Ito ang foundation ng movement is habit.
Yan. Coach, minsan kasi we've talked about before yung pag nag-running, kasi running era daw, ganon. So Coach, gusto ko lang din bigyang emphasis. Kapag beginner, tas nag-run ka agad, ano yung kaakibat na conditions? Baka may mga injuries kasi na pwedeng matamaan ng running.
Ang pinaka-importante kasi dyan is yung state being nila, kung ano yung status. No? So it's better to do walking instead of running. For example, na nasa overweight or obesity state nila, so hindi namin ina-advise na they need to run. Sa mga tao naman na normal weight, no, na biglang gagawin din nila kasi matagal na nilang ginagawa ang running sa ganung klaseng routine, pero hindi nga tayo naka-design to push ourselves for punishment. So kailangan lang nating gumalaw.
Ayun, kailangan nating gumalaw, mga ka-vibes. And even after eating, Coach Black, ilang minuto kailangan gumalaw at mag-walk?
Yan, 10 to 15 minutes. Just a quick walk. Just enjoy walking. Okay?
Yes, so yun, mga ka-vibes. After eating, 10 to 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes actually ay walking tayo
Mhm.
mga ka-vibes and move. And Coach Black, since nabanggit natin, walking is the best exercise also. Meron po bang target steps or magandang target, ilang minutes or ilang steps kada araw?
So for beginners, simple lang, no? Start with 15 to 20 minutes walking per day. Or target tayo ng 5,000 to 8,000 steps per day. Kapag
Ayun.
nasanay na ang katawan, pwede itong itaas gradually. So may mga konti tayong adjustments sa weekly once na nakapag-start na sila.
Ayun. So, ganun pala mga ka-vibes. Kasi tayo, 10,000 steps yung binibida natin dito. Okay na pala yung 5,000 to 8,000 steps. Once again mga ka-vibes, spreading awareness this morning. Kasama natin si Coach Black at Coach Black Fitness. If you'd like to view him from sa Instagram and sa Facebook. And Fit Hub Lipa and Apex Culture PH. And we are here to keep you aware, informed, and updated sa mga fitness journey natin. Again, ang atin pong umagandang kwentuhan ay may series every Monday na Fit Check Monday. So, punta naman tayo sa strength training, Coach Black. Kailangan or kailan dapat mag-start ang isang beginner sa strength training? And ano ba tong strength training na to, Coach Black?
Alam mo, ganito kasi siya DJ. Kapag komportable na sila sa basic movement tulad ng walking, usually after 1 to 2 weeks, pwede na silang magdagdag ng mga simple strength exercises. Hindi kailangan mabigat agad. Ang goal ay palakasin ang muscles and joints slowly.
Yun. At syempre, Coach Black, sa mga nasa bahay ngayon, ano ang example ng simple strength training exercise na pwedeng gawin kahit nasa bahay, Coach?
Ang pinaka-importante dito is squats, push-ups, plank, lunges, glute bridge. These 5 exercises, no, it helps build your strength, balance, and stability.
Yun. Coach, pwede bang ulitin natin yung exercises na yun para sa mga ka-vibes natin?
Yun. So, pwede natin gawin sa bahay kahit wala po tayong gamit. We can use the exercise, we can do exercise like squat, push-up, plank, lunges, and glute bridge.
Yun. Mga ka-vibes, sana nakuha nyo yun kasi this is really helpful, especially sa mga mahal nating senior citizens. Ano, Coach Black? It's not too
Yes.
late. There's nothing too late, mga ka-vibes. Even if you're 60 or 70 or 80, pwede pa rin mag-start, di ba, Coach Black?
Yes, alam mo, ang pinaka-importante dito, DJ, kaya may tinatawag kami na fitness assessment, no? Para ma-identify natin na kung ano yung weak side and strength side ng isang tao. Like dito sa amin sa Fit Hub Lipa, we have the platform for the senior citizen. So, ang ganda ng story, no, na-develop natin, natanggal ang maintenance, na-build natin yung gradual ng build ng muscles niya, nagkaroon ng mental clarity. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon para ipaalam sa kanila na start ang pinaka-importante.
Yes, ang step 1 po ay start, mga ka-vibe. So,
Yes.
yun, meron si Coach Black kasi na mga senior citizen community. At if you'd like to get assessed, once again, kasama po natin si Coach Black sa @Coach Black Fitness, @FitHub Lipa, and @Apex Culture PH para masundan nyo rin yung mga journey nila. And ito, Coach, may mga bodybuilder kasi. Bakit mahalaga ang strength training kahit hindi naman bodybuilder ang gustong mag-umpisa?
Okay. So, DJ, strength training is important for everyone. It helps with stronger muscles, stronger bones, better metabolism, injury prevention. Hindi lang ito para sa bodybuilders, para ito sa healthy lifestyles.
Yon. Healthy lifestyle. So, if gusto mo, no, ng healthy lifestyle, ikaw. Pero ito, Coach, ang matindi. Maraming tao po nag-iisip na kailangan ba agad intense workout or yung iba kasi nag-start na tapos mabigat the better daw. Ano ang masasabi mo doon, Coach?
Para sa akin, DJ, no, para maano natin, hindi totoo yan. Actually, yan ang dahilan kung bakit maraming tao ang sumusuko agad. Kapag sobrang intense agad, napapagod ang katawan at nawawalan ng motivation. So, Fitness is not about punishing your body. It's about building a habit.
Yun. And ito, Coach, since nandito na tayo sa mga mabigat, the better daw, bakit mas importante ang consistency kesa sa intensity?
Alright. So, DJ, because small action done every day create big result.
Yun.
Kung nagwo-workout ka 3 to 4 times every week, kahit simple lang, mas effective iyon kaysa sobrang intense workout tapos wala nang ulit.
Mm.
Consistency, discipline, and long-term health.
Mhm. Actually, I've learned netong weekend lamang kila Coach din, ano, na nakakawala rin po ng motivation yung, kunwari, bibigatan mo agad ang iyong load or let's take it slow, mga ka-vibes. Kaya nga may beginner stage, yung entry level na
Yes.
sinasabi natin na hindi agad-agad kailangan mabigat. Everything starts from something to bigger things, 'di ba? So, Coach, okay lang ba kung 20 minutes lang ang nagwo-workout ang isang beginner?
Yes, 100% okay. In fact, 20 minutes is already powerful if done
Mm.
consistently.
Mhm.
Remember, movement is better than perfection. Even
Yon.
15 to 20 daily can improve your health.
Yes, mga ka-vibes, movement is better than perfection. We are not perfecting things here. Wala namang perfect dito. And syempre, mga ka-vibes,
Yeah.
20 minutes. Meron tayong 24 hours a day. 20 minutes lang ang e-effortan natin, no? Or more, di ba? If kaya natin, 20 minutes or more. Pero ito, ideal na po ang 20 minutes lamang na isa-spend nyo sa exercise ay malaki na po ang mararating nito. And especially consistency. If everyday may 20 minutes ka na nag-exercise, ay malaking bagay na po para mag-effort ka for a better health. So yan mga ka-vibes, kasama pa rin natin sa On The Line, Coach Black from at Coach Black Fitness, at Fit Hub Lipa, at Apex Culture PH. Maaari niyo pong bisitahin sa Facebook and Instagram, and baka may magpa-body assessment, no, Coach? Ay yun po
Yeah.
ang kanilang Facebook page. And ito, Coach, ilang days per week ang ideal na mag-exercise ang isang beginner? Pwede bang 3 days a week or 4 days a week? Pwede na ba yun?
Actually, DJ, no, ideal for beginner is 3 to 5 days per week.
Mm.
Hindi kailangan intense. Your body also need rest and recovery.
Mm.
So, yun yung kailangan maging mindful sa mga nakikinig, no, na importante ang rest and recovery.
Yes. Coach, tama ba na pag nag-rest, mas mabilis ang recovery?
Yes, DJ. Kaya nga ang pinaka-importante natin, once we move, and then there's a chain reaction, you're gonna feel na napapagod tayo. So there's a set in your mind na kailangan mo ring gawin na kailangan nating magpahinga. So sa mga tao na once they do exercise pero nagpupuyat naman, so paano mo makikita yung better result kung yung 24 hours natin ay hindi natin nako-comply, yung responsibility and accountability na kailangan din natin pahinga.
Mm. Yun, thank you so much, Coach. Ito, Coach, anong magandang simple routine para nagsisimula pa lamang?
Alright, so ito meron akong ginawa na basic natin tools pwede natin gawin. So isang example ng routine, day 1, you can do walking 20 minutes. Day 2, light strength training. Okay? Then day 3, light walking. Day 4, walking plus stretching. Day 5, strength and training.
Grabe, Coach, parang easy as ABC yung sinabi mo na yun, ha? And syempre, for
Yes.
beginner-friendly lamang, mga ka-vibes. And Coach, ano ang pinaka-common mistake kaya ng beginners, yung mga nagsisimula mag-workout? Kasi syempre, long-term and sustainable yung goal natin. So, anong common mistakes po sa una pa lamang?
Ito, DJ. The most common mistake is doing too much too fast. Maraming beginners na to 1 hour workout every day. Sobrang intense. After 3 days, pagod na sila. Then they quit. Fitness is not about punishment. It's about building a habit.
Wow.
Start simple, start slow, then progress step by step. Consistency beat intensity.
Yun, mga ka-vibes. Ganon. Take it slow lang talaga. So, coach, merong mga nagpo-post. Day 1, day 2, tas wala nang day 3, 4, 5. Paano po maiiwasan yung 3 days lang motivated, tas pagod ka na the succeeding days? Parang pag naramdaman nila yung pain, parang ayaw na. Pero for some of us na regular, ay hinahanap yung pain na yun. Paano natin mamomotivate yung iba, coach?
Ang sabi ko nga, motivation is temporary. Discipline is the real key. Instead
Yun.
of repetition to build a routine, example lang natin dito, DJ, same time every day, even if just 10 to 15 minutes of movement,
Mhm.
when exercise becomes part of your lifestyle, you don't need motivation anymore. You just show up.
Yon. Once again, mga ka-vibes, kasama pa rin natin si Coach Black, isang fitness coach, actually fitness and wellness coach. And Coach, meron ka bang mabibigay na challenge this week? Since Monday ngayon, thank God it's Monday, no? Meron ka bang
Yes.
challenge for our listeners this week na gawin nila this week para sa next Monday, sa Fit Check Monday natin next week, ay i-check in natin sila at mag-message sila sa amin
Yes.
kung nagawa ba nila. So Coach, ano yon? Anong challenge natin this week?
Ito, DJ, here's the simple challenge for everyone listening. Walk for 15 minutes to 20 minutes a day for 5 days. No gym needed, no equipment needed. Just
Yun.
walk, move your body. If you complete that, you already win the week because movement create momentum.
Wow, movement create momentum. So yun mga ka-vibes, isang challenge mula kay Coach Black. 15 to 20 minutes na walk for 5 days. At pag iyon ay successful mo nagawa. Grabe, no? 20 minutes lang, Coach. And that's really a short time for our daily 24 hours. So, Coach, since may challenge tayo sa kanila na 15 to 20 minute walk for 5 days, ano ang benefits nito kung gagawin nila consistently? Yung may benefits pa.
Ito yung gusto nating iparating sa kanila. If you do this consistently, maraming benefits ito. Better heart health, more energy during the day, better
Yun.
mood and less stress, improved metabolism, and slowly fat loss will follow. Small actions done daily create big result over time. Health is not built in one day.
Yes.
It is built daily.
Yun. And syempre, Coach, no, baka meron diyang sumasakit ang batok, sumasakit ang balakang, sumasakit ang likod, trentahin na masakit na ang likod, at nahihilo-hilo, nagbe-brain fog, makakalimutin. Baka ito na ang sign mo na kailangan mong seryosohin ang inyong wellness and fitness journey. And Coach, for those who want guidance para mas safe at tama ang pag-start nila, saan sila pwedeng lumapit?
Alright. If you want a proper guidance and safe training, you can reach out to Apex Culture PH or visit Fit Hub Lipa. Our goal is simple: to help beginners start safely, correctly, and consistently. We
Yun.
guide people not just in exercise, but also in mindset, discipline, and healthy lifestyle.
Yes.
Because fitness is not just about the body, it's about building a better life.
Yeah, so if you want to build a better life, mga ka-vibes, and parang ang dami nyo ng medications, sa lahat po may mga sakit, no?
Yes.
There's still healing, holistic healing, other than that. And I know may mga nagme-medicate, siguro sabayan na natin ng exercise, and this is the sign. This is your sign to start, and safe guidance. Of course, maraming nasa stress. Paano ba to? Paano ba yan? And nandyan sila, Coach Black po. And live tayo ngayon sa Facebook. So, if kaka-jump in mo pa lang sa radyo and gusto mo mapanood pa later, more information, nasa Facebook po natin yan. GV99.9 FM. And ito, Coach, kung may isang message ka po sa isang taong gustong magsimula mag-exercise na nantatakot pa, ano ang gusto mong sabihin para sa kanila, Coach?
Ito lang, DJ, no? Huwag kang matakot magsimula. Lahat ng malakas ngayon, nagsimula bilang beginner, kagaya ko. Hindi mo kailangang maging perfect. Hindi mo kailangang maging mabilis. Ang kailangan mo lang ay ang unang hakbang, start small, move your body. Kahit 15 minutes a day, malaking bagay na iyon.
Yun.
Remember, body is a gift from God. Take care of it, move it, and respect it. your future self will thank you.
Yes, and this is the kind of self-love that we can give to ourselves, and the best gift that you can give to your family is good health. Once again, mga
Yeah.
ka-vibes, Coach Black, and you may visit him sa kanyang Facebook or Instagram at Coach Black Fitness, and meron silang community sa Fit Hub Lipa and Apex Culture PH. Coach Black, isang pabati naman sa ating mga ka-vibes this morning.
Alright, sa lahat ng mga binabati ko sa istasyong ito na GV 99.9. So, have a wonderful day. Hoping na magka-connect tayo sa mga line na to. And then I want to help you also. Hope to see you all.
Yan. Thank you so much, Coach Black. At manatiling nakatutok sa GV 99.9 para kayo ay GV informed, GV aware, and GV updated. Ito na muna ang ating Good Vibes music. Enjoyin muna our next song, Dance With You by Skasakli. Again, manatiling nakatutok sa the most influential Good Vibes radio station. Ito po ang GV 99.9, your Good Vibes.